You're about to walk in to one of the most beautiful cafes of the world.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Please, after you.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. People were not kidding. This is beautiful.
If you look around, there's going to be a beautiful blend of Italian Renaissance, but also Baroque and Rococo. The beautiful stucco work, the wonderful frescoes with floral motifs, gilded columns you see, velvet upholstery. There's a lot of marble. Of course, there was gold used.
You know what I love in here? The chandeliers.
The chandeliers are amazing, made from Venetian glass, coming from Murano, and they just gonna have amazing light, warm glow that they exude. Everything luxurious was actually made from the material that it looked like.
The best of the best, they went all out. New York Café, Budapest. What is the correlation? Why is that the name of where we're at today?
The building itself was owned by and was built by New York Insurance Company.
So the gilded columns, the frescoes, what is the artistic influence behind that?
The interior was supposed to look more like a palace. Here you're not entirely sure if you came into a royal seat
Right.
or a coffee house, exuding luxury.
Yes.
That was the main point.
It's giving me opera. It's like into the opera house.
Yes,
coming
much
in
more
there.
theatrical than
Yeah.
your usual coffee house. So everything put together with amazing service. This is something that really puts it to the top.
It's chef's kiss.
Cheers.
Cheers.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe, and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.